Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever found yourself without an internet connection and needing to access your Notion workspace, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to use Notion's offline mode in 2025 so you can keep working no matter where you are. We'll cover how to set it up, what works, what doesn't, and a few key tips to help you get the most from Notion when you're off the grid. By the end, you'll not only know how to activate offline mode, but you'll also understand the little quirks to watch for saving you time and headaches. Let's dive straight in. First, let's get you set up in offline mode. Open the Notion desktop app. Remember, offline mode doesn't work in the browser, so make sure you're using the dedicated app on your PC or Mac. Look to the top right corner of your Notion window. You'll see three little dots. This is your main menu for page options. Click there and you'll find an option labeled Available Offline. Clicking this tells Notion to download that current page so you can view and edit it even when you lose your connection. It might take a moment depending on your page size, but once it's done, Notion will store a copy of that page right on your device. Now let's discuss what you can actually do while working offline. You'll be able to edit text, format your notes, use checklists, lists, toggles, and a whole range of standard Notion blocks on any page you've downloaded. For example, if you're planning out a new project or jotting down travel notes on a flight, you can keep typing away, checking off things as you go just like normal. And if inspiration strikes, you can even create new pages from scratch. These new pages are saved locally and will sync to your online workspace automatically as soon as you're connected again. Notion's basic database features work offline too, but here's something to keep in mind. Only the first 50 or so entries of the first view in any downloaded database are accessible offline. So if you're managing a massive task database, you'll want to make sure any urgent items you need are within those first rows. There are a few things Notion offline can't do, and it's important to know these so you don't get stuck. Embeds like YouTube videos, Google Maps, and other live integrations simply won't function without an internet connection. Any interactive components like forms, buttons, or web clippers also require you to be online. Sharing pages, changing permissions, or inviting collaborators is a no-go until you're reconnected. Collaboration in general can be tricky. If you and someone else both edit the same page while disconnected, syncing those changes later could cause a conflict. Advanced database features, like refreshing relations, rollups, or anything that relies on live data, also won't update offline. An extra tip for those on Plus, Business, or Enterprise plans. Notion actually does a little extra work for you. It will automatically download your favorites and recently viewed pages, so those are ready for you wherever you are. To manage which pages are available offline, check out the new Offline section in your Notion settings. Here, you can remove pages you no longer need downloaded or disable offline mode entirely if you want to free up space on your device. Remember, downloads don't transfer between your devices. If you use Notion on both a laptop and a tablet, you'll need to mark pages offline on each device separately. One more detail worth knowing: subpages aren't included automatically. If you have a big project with lots of nested pages, make sure you mark each important subpage for offline use individually so they're available when you need them. That's the complete rundown on using Notion in offline mode for 2025. I hope this guide helps you stay organized, no matter where you are. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and feel free to drop any questions or your own offline tips down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity guides. Safe travels and happy planning.